Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is SHIBIN. Today in this we will visit one garment shop, retail garment shop actually. From today around 2 years before we have given our Raintech POS billing software for that customer, and we will go there today and we will ask those customer how this Raintech POS billing software is actually helping them. How this very big shop, actually it is not a small shop, it is a big shop. How this kind of shop can handle in our Raintech POS billing software. We will evaluate everything today. Please stay with us. We will see everything in this video. अभी हमने पहुंच गया वीजी फैशंस में हमने पहुंच गया. अंदर जाके देखेंगे इसमें क्या है. वाओ, बहुत बड़ा शोरूम है. देखो इतना बड़ा शोरूम आप देख रहा हूँ. इसमें इतना तरह तरह का चिल्ड्रंस का प्रोडक्ट्स है, यानी देखो कट पीस आइटम्स है, सब कुछ है. ऑल आइटम्स आपको इधर मिल जाएंगे. हम वीजी फैशन का जो विष्णु इधर बैठा हुआ है, विष्णु ये शॉप का ओनर है, और विष्णु अपना जो Raintech POS बिलिंग सॉफ्टवेयर यूज करता हूँ. और विष्णु अभी 1 ईयर का ऊपर हो गया यही प्रोडक्ट आपने मतलब ये जो शॉप ओपन करके. ये लोकेशन एक्सैक्टली किधर है? वेयर इज द लोकेशन एक्सैक्टली?
It's in the Alpura district and near to the Chaklata famous temple. Yeah.
Near to the Chaklata temple. VG Fashions. इधर आ गया तो आपको बहुत सारे डिफरेंट प्रोडक्ट्स मिल जाएंगे, यानी चिल्ड्रंस का आइटम होने दीजिए और लेडीज मेंस वेयर सारे आइटम्स आपको इधर दिखाई देंगे. बेडशीट्स वगैरह सब कुछ. और हम जिष्णु को पूछेंगे अपना जो Raintech POS बिलिंग सॉफ्टवेयर उसको किस तरीके से हेल्प करता है. यानी अपना जो मॉनिटर एक बार दिखा दीजिए प्लीज. और जो सॉफ्टवेयर के देखो उसका जो होम स्क्रीन मतलब जिष्णु का जो कंप्यूटर है, ठीक है जी. और इसमें किस तरीके से अपना जो सॉफ्टवेयर हेल्प करता है, यानी बारकोड वगैरह इसमें ईजी है क्या? बारकोड नॉर्मली क्या है ना जी, फॉर एग्जांपल फॉर ऑल द गारमेंट शॉप देयर इज बारकोड्स वी नीड. यानी यस, फॉर एग्जांपल वी हैव द गारमेंट्स प्रोडक्ट्स मींस ऑफ कोर्स देयर इज अ बारकोड वी रिक्वायर्ड. ठीक है.
So
प्रो
one of the main advantage of this software is we can easily generate the barcodes within a second. So we just need to put the name and the details of the product and the price, and the next step is we can easily generate the barcode.
Once we add the product, we can create the barcode for that particular product.
And we can generate in the normal thermal printer and the laser printer also. That's the main thing.
Yes.
So usually the softwares are only generate the thermal barcode.
Yes.
Yeah, but in this software we can generate both of them.
Laser as well as even thermal.
Yeah, that's a main advantage of in this software.
And how about our new panel, POS Speed panel?
Yeah, POS Speed is one of the... I never used this kind of software in my life, but Raintech, I'm damn sure this is one of the best software right now in the current market. Because POS software speed, one of the main important thing is we can easily print or we can easily bill the product without stock entry. That's the main thing. Yeah.
Means even if we have huge products also, without adding all the products into software directly, you can sell it.
Yeah. That's the main thing.
Very easiest way you can handle the things in the Raintech POS. And how about the cut pieces and all? For example, this kind of cut pieces are there.
Yeah, in the software we have 2 different points. One is numbers. So we can choose the both number item product and the meter products separately in this software. Yeah.
So for example, 1 meter, for example, 100 rupees.
Yeah.
And if somebody is purchasing 1.5 meter or half meter,
we can
immediately put half meter there. Automatically the price will calculate over there. So that simply we can calculate the price for the customers without any doubt. We can handle that
without any confusion. We can easily sell. A normal person they can easily use this software. That's the main thing.
And what about our, for example, this like this kind of belts and all. This belts and all.
we can sell it in both ways, including barcode or without barcode. I think without barcode is more easily. Like generating barcode is like sometimes big shop like this is too hard.
Yeah,
but
because
in
lot of products.
yeah, but in this software, but we can easily generate barcode. Also, without barcode, we can sell the products. That's the main thing in this software. Yeah.
What about the other features? How we are, for example, if some products you are getting low stock.
Yeah. So in the software we can select a low stock product.
Yeah.
Which is like if it's like 100 products, we can easily select as a two as a low stock product.
Yeah.
So once it's select two as a low stock product, once it's below the two products,
So
it's automatically shown, and it's alert us this is low stock product and all that kind of thing. Yeah.
And what about our GST reports? Normally, for example, our shops we need to submit the GST returns and all.
Yeah, easily.
This all how we can
easily generate. We can easily generate the GST report in a second.
Even we can export in Excel.
Export. Yeah.
Even we can export in Excel. So that it will be very easy
for us.
And now Raintech is newly added one feature that direct to purchase.
Yeah.
That how it is helping you. Direct to purchase.
Direct purchase. We can select. What do you mean by
we
direct?
Can add.
We can add the product directly, and we can sell it in the same time.
It means once we are purchasing any product, automatically it will display in the barcode, and we can print and stick the barcode or receipt or label.
Label.
We can
anything
add it.
Receipt or label we can
directly add
and
it.
And one more thing in the bill, in the bill we can get the barcode for the
return in case it is returned.
It is
for example, the bill it is printing one barcode also will print along with the bill.
Along
in
with
case
the
the
bill,
customer is returned back the product, we can just scan it.
We just need to scan the barcode, and which is easily to find the bill in the same section. Yeah.
And there is multiple templates are there in the billing software.
Yeah.
Like POS, 3-inch, 2-inch, everything.
Yeah.
And there is a A4 format, A5 format, everything.
Yeah.
That is really helping or no?
Yes, really helping. Because sometimes we need to create a big bill.
Yeah.
Or sometimes we need to create a small bill.
Yeah.
So in that option, we just need to click on that option A4, whichever we need it.
Yeah.
A4 or thermal 3-inch or 2-inch. We just need to we just by the time of billing we just need to click on one option. Yeah, that's the main thing.
And what about some customers? Sometimes some customers, not for you, not for some specific customer, they are not paying GST because they are in government plan.
Yeah,
this is composition plan. That plan is really how it is helping, because there is no need information about the GST details.
Yeah, GST details.
That also is included in Raintech POS billing software.
Yes.
Some people they don't have GST. They can directly sell product. In the end of the bill, it will be written that this price is all inclusive GST. So this composition plan customers, they can use this plan, so that it will be very helpful for to handle those things.
Yeah.
Overall, see the speed of the software. Normally, this is offline software.
Yeah.
How about the speed of the software? Everything.
The speed is really fast, because some software, I use many software, and some software they take time to print.
Yeah.
Once we enter the print, and it takes time to print. But in here, within a second, it goes to the printer. Yeah.
And the main thing is that Raintech POS billing software, it is an offline platform. All information will be in your computer, so that it will be 100% secure. And the data transformation also. For example, this computer is crashed, or the computer is the formatting or something in situation. We can simply take that backup, and we can install the new software, and we can copy paste that backup, so that our entire shop information will come back as it is. This is the main security what they are getting. Normally in the online software and all, it is very hard to get that backup and all. Sometimes it is possible, sometimes it will suffer a lot. But in this case, Raintech POS case, it is completely in an offline platform, In that case, it will be very simple for customers, and it is user friendly. And how about the customer service? Raintech POS customer service, how it is helping
Yeah.
you?
One of the main thing I need to talk is customer service. In any time, any call, they will pick up, and you guys giving a wonderful customer service. Like if anything goes wrong, we just need to call some software. There we need to call them, and we need to wait for 2 days, 3 days. But Raintech, like in my experience, they within a second they solve the problem. Yeah,
Yes.
that's the main
Thank
thing.
you.
That's the main thing.
Thank you so much for cooperating with us, sharing your information to Raintech billing software.
Yeah.
And once again, tell me your current location so that our surrounding peoples also they can identify you where your shop
Yeah,
location is.
yeah.
Exactly where it is. How we can come here?
Which is near to the Chaklatawa temple, where you go to the Kedangara road. So our shop is located there. And one more location is like Pamba boat racing is near to our place. So which is VG Fashions Neeretuvaram
Yes.
Chaklatawa is our landmark.
Yes.
Yeah.
And we already informed them. There is an option is called privilege card.
Yeah.
If you are running the privilege card, there is a huge sales is going to happen.
Yeah. So
Because-
we are also planning to get the privilege card soon. So we are getting there.
Yes.
So yeah, soon I will start.
Really, this privilege card is something like a magnet.
Yeah.
Once we issue one privilege card to some of our customer, and if we are saying in today purchase you have a privilege or a privilege point, for example, 100 rupees or 200 rupees, whatever.
yeah.
You can use this discount in next purchase. So of course, this customer will definitely come back to you.
Come to our shop.
This is the main thing what we observe in other shops also.
Yeah.
If we are in a remote area or somewhere like that, if we want to catch the customer back, this privilege card system is very, very nice system.
Yeah.
And what about our SMS system?
SMS system. Yeah. I'm using SMS system. So which is easily used by use friendly, and we can send SMS through both mother tongue language and English also. That's the main thing. So I'm happy with SMS.
And there is an option is there quick SMS.
Okay.
Once we are selling to the customers, if you are putting customer mobile number or something, immediately we can customer will get the SMS on their mobile number.
Yeah. The same time the customer.
And there is a privilege card. Everything they will get in their privilege card. How many points is there? That everything they will get in their mobile, so that they will get a clear idea how many points are there remaining. How many everything they will get a clear idea.
Clear idea.
So thank you so much for sharing the information to us. Thank you.